भाजप सरकारान म्हादय न्हंयचें उदक कर्नाटक राज्याक दिल्ल्यान गोंयांत बोवाळ चालूच आसा. मोगोचो आमदार सुदीन ढवळीकारान जायते फावट प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी कडेन सर्वपक्षीय शिष्टमंडळ व्हरपाची मागणी केल्ली. मात मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत ते करपा खातीर तयार नाशिल्ल्यान आतां मोगो पक्षा वतीन आमदार सुदीन ढवळीकारान प्रधानमंत्र्याक पत्र बरोवन गोंय राज्याचेर आयिल्ल्या संकटा विशीं म्हायती दिल्या. तशेंच ताचे बरोबर चर्चा करपा खातीर वेळय मागला, अशी माहिती सुदीन ढवळीकारान पणजेन पत्रकार परिशद घेवन जाहीर केल्या.
गोंयच्या फाटल्यान एक दाग भारतीय जनता पक्षाच्या ह्या सरकारान लायिल्लो आसा आनी म्हादय इश्यू मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन सॉर्ट आवट जायना हें सगळें गोंयांक कळिल्लें आसा. आमी मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या अगेन्स्ट वचून हो म्हादय इश्यू घेतिल्लो ना आनी त्या खातीरूच जन आंदोलन आनी अवेरनेस प्रोग्राम मोगो पक्षान केलो. And as decided and as told in the press last time that I will write myself a letter to the Prime Minister by giving different issues towards Madhai and bringing facts to the notice of the Prime Minister. त्याप्रमाणे I have already emailed on 16/3/2020 a letter to the Prime Minister stating to help in the case of Madhai. In that letter, may I invite your attention to the fact that urban as well as rural area is totally dependent on Madhai River for above cited activities, and it has been our lifeline for decades. Most importantly, the water from Madhai Basin is utilized for drinking purpose to entire North Goa and part of South Goa. त्यानंतर खूब आसलें तें हांव दिवंक शकना तुमकां, पूण वॉट आय हॅव आस्क्ड एज रिगार्ड्स टू द कंटेन्शन ऑफ कर्नाटका दॅट द डायवर्शन हें वाचता फुडें. Diversion is being done for drinking purpose for Hubli and Dharwad district is totally false, baseless and triggering, as it is revealed that basically it shall be used for agriculture and such other purposes. Prejudice to above, it is pertinent to note that there are perennial water source at Jagalbet and Supa area wherein dams are already existing and the distance to Hubli Dharwad is hardly 60 to 50 kilometers and most economical for Karnataka state rather than laying a pipeline covering a distance of 180 to 200 kilometers from Kalsa Bandura project site, now under construction, being unviable and is being done with ulterior motive by government of Karnataka. In my considered opinion, Karnataka government has no reason of whatever to obstruct Madhai River Basin, which has been perennial and main source of raw potable water to the state of Goa for decades. Further, considering the wide forest area of the Karnataka and sufficient catchment area and annual rainfall there, is a wide scopes to have additional dams to supply water to drought areas as alive. However, Madhai, being our lifeline and only source, should not be diverted and create unrest in our state. However, as stated earlier, there shall be eco-imbalance due to acute shortage of water for drinking purpose as well as for agriculture purpose. Consequently, salinity of our rivers, nalas, tributaries shall also be affected due to inflow of saline water during tidal variation. Sir, it is imperative to settle the issue with our intervention amongst the state, and hence may I request you to give appointment to all party delegations from Goa to brief and place before you the facts along with presentation which shall be wide, clear and loud. I may also like to inform you that all party delegation from Goa comprising of BJP, Congress, MG Party and Goa Forward Party along with Honorable Minister of State for Ayush Shri Shripadji Naik and Honorable MP Rajya Sabha Shri Vinayji Tendulkar had met Honorable Union Minister for Environment Shri Prakash Javadekar ji to brief about the situation, wherein assurance was given to do justice to Goa, also to form all party committee to inspect the site of construction of Kalsa Banduri. It was also decided to place on record all the facts and factual position at the site and place before the Honorable Union Minister for Environment the illegal activities by the government of Karnataka that is being carried out by the fraudulent means without NOCs, environment impact assessment, and issue being in Honorable Supreme Court. It is regretted to state that till date, said committee is not yet appointed by the Ministry of Environment, thereby turning Nelson Eye to the illegal activities by government of Karnataka. In view of above, it is my honest and sincere request to your good self to appoint, nominate such committee to deal with the present situation comprising of all parties, including retired Supreme Court judge and environment experts, scientists, etc., which shall give a fair chance to both the state to settle the issue once and for all. हे अशें तांचे कडेन मागलां. म्हाका दिसता दिस इज इनफ, कारण हे वाचले नंतर माननीय प्रायम मिनिस्टराक सगळ्यो गोश्टी कळपाक जाय. सुपा हें धरण आसा, थंय लार्ज कॅचमेंट एरिया आसा, थंय जाय जाल्यार धरण वाडोवपा जाता, उंची वाडोवपा जाता, आनी थंय दुसरें धरण बांदूं येता. ऑल पार्टी डेलिगेशन हेडेड बाय CMच आसतालो न्हय, आमकां कांय ना. आमकां जाय गोंयचें सारकें जावपा. आनी हांवें पयलीं बसून सांगलां, हातूंत राजकारण ना, हातूंत गोंयचें अर्थकारण आसा म्हणून.